Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. In this video, I am going to show you how to turn off eye comfort shield on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So let's jump right in. First, unlock your phone, then open the settings page. Once you are in the main settings menu, you can scroll down a little, find the display option, tap to open it. After this menu, scroll down again, look for the eye comfort shield option, click on them. Right now this option is turned on by default. To turn it off, simply tap on the main toggle button at the top of the menu and turn it off automatically. However, if you decide to easily turn off eye comfort shield on your phone and quicker way, don't panic. Back to the main settings page, look at the search bar at the bottom or top menu bar, tap on it. Here you can simply type eye comfort shield. Once you found the result, tap on it, then tap again to open it, then easily turn on or off on your Samsung Galaxy phone. And that's it, how you can easily turn off eye comfort shield on your phone. Thanks for watching. Bye, take care.